Hey Quickies, let's take a look at how to install the custom client app on an Android device. Your clients will click on the link that you sent them, and they want to make sure that it opens up in one of three browsers, either Chrome, Brave, or Samsung Internet. Once their account loads, they are going to tap on the install button that pops up, and then they'll get a new pop-up box and they will tap on install. And now the app is installed. They will see this little pop-up at the top, but it will show your business name versus where it says Quick Fit here. And the app will be put into their app drawer. Now, the app does not automatically get installed on their home screen. So if they want to add it to their home screen, they need to go inside their app drawer, find your app, and then press and hold the icon. They will get this pop-up menu and they will tap on Add to Home. And now it is on their home screen for easy access. Now, if they want to install it where it goes straight to their home screen, there is another way to install the app. What they'll do is once they are on their account's homepage, they will tap on the three dots at the top. They'll get this drop-down menu and they will tap Add to Home Screen. They'll get this install pop-up option and they'll tap Install. And they'll get another pop-up box and you guessed it, tap Install. And now it has been installed and also on their home screen.